Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, we got an unboxing right quick. But what I'm rocking right now is the OG G-Shock. Well, not my OG G-Shock, but the one that started the G-Shock craze right here. You know what I mean? But I find it only fitting because we have a Casio unboxing. Alright, I did not open this. My wife brought it in to me. You know what I mean? And she know that I've been wanting a certain type of Casio watch, but I haven't been able to go out and get it. But she went out and got it. So we gonna see if she been taking notes on what your boy want. But this is the unboxing. And let's get into it, yo. Got my Superman shit on. Yo, what's up? Stand by. All right, good people. Let's go ahead and get into it right quick. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I haven't even opened it and looked at it. I just been waiting for the time to see. So let's go ahead and we're gonna snap the back out first. All right. Now, I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna let y'all see first, okay? First, let me straighten it up. I'm gonna let y'all see first, all right? Hey, yo, P. Ross, hit him with the slow motion. What is it? Is it the F-91? Is it the F-91? Oh, y'all couldn't read it, no way. Yes, it is the F-91W in the building. Yes, sir-ree, Bob. That is what's up. Thank you, darling. Love you so much. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've been wanting this joint for a long time, but I just neglected to go get it. I didn't really want the one with the band, the metal band, but I preferred this one because ultimately what's gonna happen, I'm gonna take and put a NATO strap on it ultimately. You understand what I'm saying? So there it is. You know, look at the back. Look at the back right there. The F-91W. Stainless steel back, water resistance. This is a hot watch. I have several other variations of this watch downstairs, but this one right here is the one that I want. And $29.99. I don't know. I'm pretty sure she probably got it cheaper than that. But yeah, here it is, y'all. In the building. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, I guess I could try it on the wrist right quick. Let y'all check it out. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to get a NATO strap put on it. You know what I mean? So let me go ahead and try it on the wrist right quick for y'all. Stand by. All right. We're going to go ahead and put the, don't that gold look nice on there though. That's why I wanted it so bad, because it just looks fly as hell. So let me go ahead and take off the G-Shock. G-Shock. Throw this baby on. Yeah. Alright, here we go. There it is. F-91W in the building. That's a hot watch, ain't it? Casio, you know what? Casio just make classic pieces. You know what I mean? They just don't stop. You understand? They're the bomb. But I'm going to go get a NATO strap. We're going to throw it on here. Then I'll see y'all. All right, people, and here it go. The F-91W on the fat NATO strap. You understand what I'm saying? Yo, don't mind the silver buckling on here. I'm getting all that replaced, of course. You know what I'm saying? To match up with the corresponding gold. But I just wanted to show y'all how good this joint looks on a NATO strap. So let's go ahead and try it on the wrist right quick. All right. Yo. This is the hotness, y'all. The hotness. Check this out. Check this out. Don't that look fly as hell? Keep it real with me. Keep it 100. Don't that look fly as hell? That look fly as hell. Don't front. Don't front on me. You know what I mean? So this your boy P. Ross. This is my unboxing strap change for the F-91W. There it is, people. Peace. And I'm out.